Hi, morning everyone. I'm out at the park again. This time I'm going to try out the EOS R8. Okay, that's the EOS R8 coupled with this is a drop-in filter adapter for EF lens, and this is a 20-35. I'm going to rock with this while I walk through the birds. So today I'm going to do bird photography, testing out these three lenses. This is the EF 300mm, this is the EF 400mm f5.6, this is f4, right? And then this is the RF lens, which is the 100-400. It goes up to f8. So we'll try this out. Reason is the R8 is pretty good in low light. So today has been gonna be a very dusty day. It's gonna be like there's no sun. It's covered by haze. So it's gonna be quite gloomy. So hi everyone, Richard here. So now I'm testing the EOS R8. This is without stabilization. There's no lens optical stabilization. There's no IBIS. So I'm just walking as it is, handheld. Let's hold it properly before I drop the camera. Without the electronic IS on. So now the tracking is on my eye. You can see that the box is on my eye. I set everything under auto. Now I'm going to switch. This is without stabilization. I'm going to switch it to electronic stabilization and then the enhanced stabilization, right? So let's see how it comes out. That's why I pan. This is how it looks like without stabilization. I'm going to switch to stabilization on. Okay, now I've enabled stabilization. Good thing about this, the touch screen, I can just touch everything and do the setting on the touch screen. I don't have to turn it back to the buttons or anything. So we're going to walk under the tunnel and see how the digital stabilization looks like. Does it give a lot of jittery? This is the EF 20-35mm lens. It can go to f3.5 and 5.6 on the higher end. So this is with the stabilization electronic. There's no IBIS, there's no optical. And how does it look like? Does it look okay to you? And the sun is right there. Let's see how it handles backlights. Right, it looks like that. So I'm going to switch on to enhanced stabilization. Let's see how it works with the enhanced stabilization. Let's stop recording and change it. So now it's cropped in. That's interesting because I like this 20mm more than 16mm, right? So 20mm gives a more natural field of view rather than 16, which is highly distorted. And it's not bad. You can use the enhanced version of the IS, digital IS, with this 20mm, right? So that's how I'm shooting at 4K 30, right? IPB, and not gonna test any C-Log things. So, but we just want to test it out. How does the enhanced stabilization looks like with this camera? And in terms of when I pan, it's like, and everything is in auto, right? So I'm just shooting at 1/60 a second, f3.5, and the rest is all in auto mode. Okay, we're gonna start off with the EF 300mm f4.0 lens, and because the sun isn't really bright now, so I need the f4. Let's do some shots, and hopefully I see some birds flying, and we'll get some shots with this. And then we'll move on to the EF 400 and then the RF 100-400. Right, so let's do this with the 300mm. Oh, that is flying off, so I won't be able to test it. It would be nice if he didn't fly off. So I'm going to try out the digital zoom. So this is 2 times. And then 4 times. Oh, you can see it's a boo-boo. Boo-boo and a pigeon.
There's it, that beautiful bird. It just came out right at the branch there. There you can see it's there. So I'm using 2x zoom. This is 4x digital. So that's a beautiful, beautiful bird. Right. Oh, nice, flew off. So this is the EF 400mm f5.6. I'm shooting at 5.6, right? So there he is, the Asian crow. Yep. Behind the tree. Beautiful bird. Yup, he just flew off. Hopefully I can get more shots of it. So currently change it to the RF 400mm. So good thing about the RF lens is the focus acquiring is so much faster than the standard EF adapted lenses. Hunting is less, and the EF lens is easier to hunt to infinity and back, whereas the RF is much faster at getting the subject. At the same time, it's less on the hunting side. So these little birds are so fast. You have to be really fast to catch them. So I'm not even using 40 frames per second. It's more than sufficient, right, in terms of getting the shot. Okay, currently the battery is blinking. So let's see how many shots I've taken. 900 and can see that. Yeah, hopefully you can see it. 923. So my battery is blinking after 923 shots. So this battery usage on the single battery, this very small battery, right, can go up to 1000. Okay, that's all folks. Hopefully you like the photos and the video from this R8. I'm totally sunburned, right? So it's very hazy, it's still hazy. Look at the haze, right? And I'll just make a move because my battery is finished. Actually, I've got two batteries and 900 something for each battery, so it's okay. So you definitely need 3 batteries if you're going out a full day. So do give me a thumbs up, and if you like this video, and do subscribe for the next one. I'll see you hopefully on my next outing. The weather will be better and I'll get more birds in flight rather than birds in the nearby trees, right? Okay, bye, see you, have a nice day.